Number 1. Use the picture to help you complete the number sentence. 80 minus blank equals 50. Pay attention to your symbol. Number 2. Solve, using any of your strategies that you prefer, 30 plus 49 equals, and 68 plus 20. Number 3. Solve using number bonds. Write the two number sentences to show what you did. So for this one, you have to show that number bond. Number 4. Solve using number bonds. Write the two number sentences to show what you did. Again, you have to use the number bonds here and show me the two number sentences. Number 5. Solve using quick tens and ones drawings. Make sure to line up your tens with your tens and your ones with your ones. Remember, now you have to show me the picture. You need to show me your tens and your ones, and your tens and your ones. Number 6, solve using quick tens and ones. Remember to line up your drawings and rewrite the number sentence vertically. Remember, you need to show me your tens and your ones, your tens and your ones, and then rewrite 69 plus 26 up and down vertically. Give me your answer. Good luck!